How to earn from Skillshares Referral Program. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you will learn how you can earn from Skillshares Referral Program. So the Skillshares Referral Program allows you to earn additional revenue by bringing new members to the platform. And here's how it works. For you to earn from the referral program, you'd have to be a teacher first of all. So ensure that you've applied and you are as a teacher, and then as a teacher you would have your own personal referral link. How do you look at this? After logging in into your account as a teacher, move to the top right corner and click on your profile icon, and then by clicking on account settings you'll be taken to your account settings page, and then on your profile settings page you would see your referral link being displayed here, either on your profile settings page or on your view profile. Either of the two, you'll see your referral link being displayed. Once you can see it displayed, the next thing you have to do is to copy the link and then share it. Alright, promote your referral link on your social media, your blog, your email newsletters, or on any other platform where your audience can see it. And then once you share it, encourage people to sign up on Skillshare by making use of your referral link. And then once they sign up, you earn a commission for every new member who signs up for Skillshare through your referral link. And then the commission rate is usually 40% of the revenue from the new member subscription, and that is quite a number of cash as an extra income. So once you do that, you earn that particular amount, and then Skillshare also provides tools to track your referrals and earning in real time. So major way to earn from Skillshares referral program is to sign up as a teacher and then get your referral link, share your link, and earn commissions. It is that simple. All right, very cool, very easy. Ensure you try it out today and put in the hard work. Thank you for watching and have a good day.